Hello everyone, welcome back to Techwiden. Today we are going to understand why do we need change the instance type and how to do it. So there are various kinds of reason we might need to change the instance type in AWS. So one of the main reason is performance optimization because different kinds of instances having different combination of CPU, memory, storage and their network capabilities also. So if our application or our workload is experiencing performance or having some kind of resource limitation, so changing is the most suitable option which can help to improve the performance. For example, our application or software might need a higher CPU or a memory capacity to handle the increased demand or traffic to optimize the resource. And the second reason is cost optimization because all types of instances having their different pricing structure. So we can analyze according to our workload requirement which kind of instance is more suitable and most cost effective and also reduce our AWS bill. So there are other reasons like as our workload grows, it may possible we need to scale up our infrastructure to the larger instance type, and over the time it might be possible to introduce new software or services that require more CPU or memory. And sometimes we need to redesign our application architecture or maybe migrating to the different technology stack. Then we also need to change our instance type. So let us see how do we change it. For it, go to the AWS console. We can see there is a one instance which is already running. Let me click on it. Demo instance which is T2 micro right now. So select the instance and go to the action bar and click on the instance setting. As we can see, there are more options in instance setting. There is an option named change instance type, but we can't select it. So how do we do it? So first of all, stop the instance, click on stop it, click on stop. It will take 1 or 2 minutes after stopping the instance. Let me refresh it. Select instance, go to the action, click on instance setting, and now we can click on change instance type. Now we can only change those instance type which should be EBS enabled. So click on the drop down list of instance type and let me choose. So this is a series, then C series, and we can check it out what kind of instances we require for our application and software. And this time let me choose T3 micro, and you can see this is a EBS enabled as well. So click on apply, go back to the console. Select the instance and click on start the instance. So you can see our instance has been changed from T2 micro to T3 micro. And similarly, we can change it to any kind of instance type. So this is only a small example, but the catch is you can't change your instance type when it is running. So you have to stop it before changing. So that's it from today. And in our next tutorial, we will explore some more topics. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.